Hello.
How
Hi,
are you?
Diksha. Fine. How are you?
I'm good. Long time, huh?
Yes,
I guess it was 2 weeks back or something that we might have spoken.
1 week. You can say yes. I have cancelled my two or three sessions because I am busy somewhere.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Happens all the time.
Yes.
Okay. Shall we begin?
Yes.
Okay. So, me too.
Yes.
Today's topic is goals.
Goal.
Yes. Did we talk about this?
No.
Okay. Fine. So, today's topic is goals. So, do you think that goals is necessary in life to be successful?
Yes. Yes. I need so. I think so. Because if we have no goal in our life, then the life become very purposeless and because without goal we are not doing the we are not knowing which direction I have to go. If we have goal, then we will work accordingly that to achieve or to receive the things which we want. And if we have no goal, we are not setting a goal in our life. Even that goal should be a short goal also, or it should be a long term goal also. Any type of goal, we should definitely uh, um, set a target, and that we should work on that way.
Okay. Do you think it's necessary for us to set goals before our children?
Before a children.
Yes, will it help them? I mean, like, shall we set some goals for our children? Like you said, we have to put short-term goals or long-term goals, right? So should we like
But
inculcate?
yes, but means we should set goals for the kids. You want to say?
Yes, yes, for the children, so that they get
Yes,
the habit of learning.
yes, 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 yes. It is very necessary. Even I use this stop this term because if we set some short goals for the kids, mm, they will habitual to that because if at random we told them to you have to achieve that goal. If we'll say them that you will achieve the first rank in your class, then they will show they will feel sometimes that how I will do this. Then if we'll set a short term goal for the daily basis, then if you will do two or three pages in a day, then I will give you something or I will give you feedback for that. Then they will definitely become habitual to achieve, and they love that types of feedbacks. And it's come to the long term goal. They feel like very familiar to that I can do this that, and then they feel confidence also by this the short feedbacks.
Yeah, that's true. So according to you, for them to encourage them to achieve the goals, you should give small rewards in the end.
Yes, sorry, I can't getting you.
Wait. Okay. So for them to achieve their goals, you are saying that in the end we should give them small rewards, some small prizes.
Yes, prizes or something. It is not only physical or you can material rewards also, but it should be a reinforcement. You can say positive reinforcement is maybe work for them, and they will build in their self. They will feel confident if we'll
Mm.
praise them. Also this is also a reward. If we'll praise them before the family members, then you are doing very good and you are doing very well today, and this is very nice, and these all will help them to make their personality and to build confidence also. And it will this small things will help them to achieve the to be one day a successful person in their life.
Okay. So any particular short-term goals of yourself? Have
Myself,
you?
yes, yes. I am used to do this. I even if I have no goal, only when I think that only I have to feed myself and to whole family members, it is not a goal for me. It is nothing to me. Even when I got a small part of time, I will do definitely something productive in my day. Uh, I does sorry, I uh, um, on the daily basis I set a short term goals. Sometimes I set if I have an examination in future, then I started studying and I start studying and I set short goals for a day. Today I have to study this part of the this topic for the today. This topic for the even daily I set a short term goals for the for related to my study also and related to my daily life also, that I have to do this. I have to rearrange this wardrobe today and this wardrobe to yesterday, tomorrow. Then I always set goals in my life. Without goals, I am nothing. I feel I can't imagine how to I spend my time. How I spending my time without doing something. This is nothing to me.
Okay, all right. So you've you are like almost into goals. You're already using goals in your day-to-day life.
Yes.
Okay. So uh it's tomorrow, by the way, not tomorrow. Okay, a pronunciation part, tomorrow. Okay, that's wonderful. All right. So any time like you felt that you were not able to achieve a particular goal?
Sometimes, sometimes I feel that. Sometimes the sometimes situations are not according to me. Sometimes I set a goal and I have to achieve. I said, imagine that today I set a two chapter to study. I set a goal to today I have to study two chapter, and it is my birthday today, and I am receiving a call from call from the morning, and I'm not studying yet even a chapter also. Sometimes, sometimes the situation is not according to me. It is my goal, not theirs. So they are not. Sometimes they not feel that to cooperate, and sometimes there is some festivals also, and I am not able to study. So then I feel very much exhausted. But as I told you that I am a self-motivated girl. I motivated myself day on the daily basis because today I can't do this, but tomorrow I can do this. Tomorrow and or in the night mm, I mm, I achieve I studied to achieve my target and I completed my. Sometimes I not complete, mm, but sometimes I do this.
Sometimes I am not able to complete.
I am not able to complete, but sometimes I does, and that was reinforcement to me that, and I giving feedback to myself that I can do it, I can do it.
Okay, that's wonderful. So is it your birthday today?
Yes,
Happy birthday.
thank you very much.
You know why I get very excited about the birthdays? The thing is, like, I love cakes. So, what used to happen in our college was when people used to, we were a batch of 20 or something for our post graduation. We were a batch of 20. So, what used to happen is if anyone would be sharing their birthday on the same date or the same day, so we would contribute and we would order cake. I would be happy not because it's that person's birthday. I would be happy because I would be getting cake to eat. So it's like that's hello.
Yes,
Yeah, so that's like something that makes me happy, the
yes,
cake part.
many
But
yes. My
unfortunately,
my son also like cake very much. He also very is fond of cake, and
so
I
he'll
will
be very
definitely
happy.
yes,
He'll be
yes,
quite happy tonight. It will be like birthdays and cakes and everything.
yes. Yes, no
Wonderful,
matter whose birthday is today, but I have to eat. I have to eat cake only.
wonderful.
Cake must be there in, on the birthday.
I know, I know. Cakes are mandatory. You cannot live without cake on birthdays. Even if you don't like it, even if the birthday person might not like it, it's
Yes.
mandatory. It's for the other guest. You don't eat it.
Yes, yes, yes. He says like, he asked me in the morning, Mama, what will you give me on your birthday? Then I say, what I will give to you? Then, Mama, you can feed me with some delicious foods, and some you can cook anything else today for today.
So ironical. It's like even on my birthday, I am supposed to be
Yes,
cooking.
yes. I told her that you should do to me. Today is my birthday.
Okay. So did she do anything, or she's just still
He
troubling
told me
you?
that Mama, today I will not able to make a card for you, but next birthday I will definitely give you a card. He told me.
Okay. So the small kid has gotten busy already with life.
Yes.
So ironical kids are. But they're the cutest one, and like with the pure soul. Once they grow up, I mean, like
Yes.
they become so notorious. Anyways, that's all. I think your video is frozen.
Why it is so? I don't know.
Can you just switch off your video and switch it on?
Okay. It is okay.
No, you're still frozen. Anyways, let's just continue. It will take a lot of time
Yes.
fixing the technical errors.
What happened? I don't know. Yes.
It might be some technical issue, nothing.
Yes.
That's the most common reason why these things happen. Let's not waste our
But
time
I
on
can
that.
see you.
But I can't see you.
Yes.
It's necessary, right? We have to keep on seeing the person's face. We have been told to keep a check on the
Yes.
other person, so
Yes.
that we know if the person is anxious or is like shy, is he confident, etc.,
Yes.
etc. So facial expressions we've asked to read.
Yes. It seems like
Okay.
a friendly conversation to watch one another.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Uh, you, what all are you doing to work on your tenses, Neetu?
Um, Actually, I am not doing very much, but I yesterday I practiced on my tenses, and I watched a movie also.
Movie.
And yes,
Okay.
um, English movie. Actually, it was an dubbed movie, South Indian movie, but it was dubbed in English, and I was and I read a GD book also, only
Which
some
book?
things, and uh, a group discussion book. I don't know which book is that. Sometime my husband gave it to me to read for the English, and I read
Okay.
that. GD,
Continue
yes.
reading, but you still need to work on tenses. Other parts are all right at school, but tenses, you are missing out on words in between.
Yes,
So
I feel.
if you get time, if in case you can get time to watch small series, because practice on daily basis will make a great impact rather than practice on occasional basis.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So
Uh, how I practice, I it seems like me how where I go to practice. Yeah, there are only 15 minutes on. I have taken your sessions,
no,
and
no, no. 15 minutes, it's all right. You can come here, you can test your practice with us. You can always practice it with us, but you can it's like you can do more at home as well. It's not
yes,
necessary that you have to just come here and practice.
yes,
Yes. So it's like we have been telling students, like we have been telling the learners to read a lot. That is one
Re-
practice.
yes,
Okay, read a lot, and when you read, don't just read it in your mind. uh, since you're a learner, since you're a learner, read it out loud. That is one type of another type of practice.
practice.
Reading
Yes,
English loud. Okay, that's one kind of practice.
yes, it helps me. Yes, also it helps me
you
also.
know yeah, what you do is you're not just training your mind when you read out loud, you're training your tongue as well.
as well.
So it, sometimes even unintentionally, when you're not thinking or anything, but the tongue, it speaks.
Yes,
So
this is
that is
also.
how it happens. Second thing, you can also try talking in front of the mirror to yourself.
Yes,
Okay, these are all another way of practicing with yourself. You just okay, 15 minutes is here. We can figure out what all areas you need to be working on. For like for me, right now, you just need to work on your tenses. Else, like other parts are quite good for now.
yes,
Okay, so we help you to figure out your mistakes, and you're also practicing it with us. Besides that, you can practice more at home. Besides the 15 minutes watch.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
all right. Anything else you wish to ask?
Nothing. Everything is good now. I need to practice. Yes, yesterday Divyam Jain sir also told me to practice on tenses, and I also feel myself that I have to practice on tenses.
Hmm.
But I know tenses, but I don't know how my tongue slips, how I speak the wrong tenses, how I use wrong tenses at the wrong places.
Tenses, if a person knows tenses, yet if he's like making mistakes, the only and only reason can be lack of practice or
Yes,
speaking.
actually, I have taken a online course also, so I have to study for that also,
Uh,
my exams. But it is good. It is also necessary.
it's okay, it's okay. It comes with time. You've just involved yourself into this like just 3 4 weeks, in 3 4 weeks, like since 3 4 weeks, right?
First